Hiccup and I are on our way to get his first haircut. Okay, he's back. He looks like a different dog. It's so crazy. So, welcome back to this new video. We are trying out something new for the new year. Like, as a family and as a whole, we're just trying to figure out how we can still make everything that we do relevant. And after lots of polling and lots of Instagram DMs and things like that, we decided that everybody was more interested in like my everyday life. And so I'm going to be changing things a little bit on YouTube. I will be doing 2 videos a month, and in the in-between posting some shorts and posting way more on Instagram and TikTok. Kind of just more everyday stuff. TikTok is so fun. And then of course the shorts in between. So less content, but once a month, at least we're testing this out this month. Once a month I'll be doing like a monthly vlog of like what I did for that month. So that's kind of the brief overview of the new changes. So kind of exciting. 2022, we're changing things up a little bit. This will be the first time that I haven't posted like every single week since I was 13 years old.
Hey guys, it's Kamri.
Which is crazy, but it'll definitely free up some time for me to be able to study more and post more on the other platforms that everybody is on for like short form content. So kind of fun. We're gonna see how it goes. Let me know what you guys think. But to get back to the actual video, it is a new semester of school. So I just got back. It's my 4th day of school today. I've gone to every single one of my classes so far and I love them. You know you're in the right major when you just like get excited about your classes. Well, I'm in this neuroanatomy class this semester and it's so hard, but it's so fascinating. And we get access to like all these really cool resources where you get to like look at all these brains, and it's so interesting. And I don't know, I'm in love with the human brain. I think it's so fascinating. But the other classes that I'm taking, I'm doing organic chemistry 2, neuroanatomy, general physics, physics lab 1, physics lab 2, preview to medicine, and a law lecture series. So I'm not a law major, but I've heard really good things about the class, and I've thought about one day maybe getting a law degree after I get a medical degree. Who knows? I just think it would be really interesting to listen to. It's not a super complicated class, so an easy A. I am loving my classes so far. I'm loving my new schedule, and I'm also moving. Crazy stuff going on. I'm gonna go get back to Hiccup. We're gonna do lots of cleaning today because I just got home from Texas on Sunday. Boxes are still everywhere. So Hiccup and I are at the park right now because he has been so young and then it's been snowing. He hasn't like truly like been to a park, but he is loving it. Everything is so new. He's like seeing other dogs here and he's like, oh, what's going on? But we're playing fetch and he's doing really well. We play fetch like in our yard and stuff, but this is like the first long field we've had. Whoop, well, now he's going to the bathroom. He's loving it so far, and it's honestly like pretty good weather for January, so we're enjoying it. He's loving it. We'll show you guys some of his tricks. Hiccup, you ready? Get it. Go get it! Go get it! It's right here! Do you want it? Ready? Get it! There we go. Good boy. It's a lazy Friday afternoon. I went to class this morning and now I am just literally chilling. I'm so tired. I don't even have class that early this semester. My earliest class is like 8 a.m. on one day, and then the rest of them are pretty much like 10 a.m. Something about like the middle of the day just like is so exhausting to me. We just got some more furniture. It's also really cold in here, so don't mind my blanket. We just got some furniture. By furniture, I mean some chairs. So now we just have more boxes and everything everywhere and some chairs. We were supposed to get more today, so I've just kind of been hanging out at the house waiting for it to all get delivered, but I haven't seen anything. We're getting there. I did get this mirror though. That is so soft. So, it's Tuesday. Yesterday was a holiday. It's on my neck. What the heck? Whatever. Well, yesterday was a holiday. I pretty much just got nothing done. I went to work, did work, and that was pretty much it. But my mattress did come. I don't know if y'all can see this. It's set up. I have my mattress. Don't have my bed, don't have my couch, don't have my table, but got my mattress, so we're getting closer. First day back at school, I just got home from my physics lab. It was fun. We did like equipotential electric maps, kind of. You guys know what that is? Kind of fun. And now I'm heading to my next physics class, and I go to Salt Lake for this one. At the school I'm at, you can also take classes at their center in Salt Lake, like 45 minutes minutes away, and I take the train there. So I don't have to take one there. I just like going to Salt Lake like once a week. It means that I don't have to take a class Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Instead, I can just do it all in one night. So it kind of sucks because it's like a 3-hour long class, but it's way nice. I prefer it because then I don't have to go 3 times and I can work more instead of going to those 3 different classes. It works better for me. So that's what I'm gonna go do right now. I'm gonna go take the train. There's only like 6 people in my class too, so that's a bonus.
They determine more than one of the hydrogens, and so I guess my question is, how do you know when we just do?
My couch is here. Not sure how we're gonna do this. So I'm in the testing center, in the bathroom. Don't worry, I'm not taking my test. I don't have my phone, but I'm not supposed to. I just am about to take my test. I have my first physics exam. It's actually my first exam of the entire semester, so this is the start of it all. I'm surprised I've made it this far. Every single semester so far in school, I've had an exam every single week. So this is like the 3rd week of school and I'm having my first exam. So it's like record breaking. It's so cool, you know, to not have an exam every week. I'm about to go test and I will let you guys know how it goes. It's my testing outfit. It's also so late and nobody's here. It's kind of fun. Usually it's packed. You know, you just gotta make some positive comments about testing. Otherwise it's just really sad. Okay, I just walked out. It took me like an hour and a half. Still nobody is here at all. It's just empty. It was harder than I expected. Different than I expected. I'm hoping for a good score. Half of it was written, so I don't know what I actually got yet, but let's go. I'm gonna go home now. Hello everybody, it is Saturday morning and Hiccup and I are on our way to get his first haircut. It's like cold outside, so I'm having conflicting feelings about whether or not to cut his fur, but it took me so long to get this appointment. It's not too cold and I'm not going to shave him. I do not want him to be shaved. All that I feel like he needs is just like a trim to cut all of his like baby fur off. I don't know if y'all can see that, but he has like his baby fur and then like his adult coat, and in order for his fur to like grow properly, he needs his baby fur like cut off. Just gonna do that, just like a basic little groom. I don't think it'll be like life transforming for him, but it is his first haircut, so we are excited for that. We've done lots of training since he was a little puppy about like what to do at the groomers and what to do at the vet, and like he's pretty good. He doesn't have any issues. I brush him every day and he typically falls asleep, so I think he'll be okay, but I'm still nervous just because it's his first time. It's like his first day of school, but he's up and he's ready to go. Hiccup, how do you feel? Hiccup. Yeah, no, he's just getting distracted. I just got the call that he is ready to be picked up, which means he made it through the whole time without like biting anybody, because they told me they'd call me if he was like being aggressive or biting or anything like that. And they would also call me, I brush him every day, but because his puppy fur is like so long and he has like this curly coat underneath, it's really hard to like comb through right now. So anyway, I didn't see any knots, but they said that there was like 1 or 2 knots that if they couldn't cut out, then they'd have to shave him down lower. But it looks like they figured it out because they didn't call me saying that they needed to cut him down lower. So I guess I've done a good job brushing him. Proud mom moment. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick him up. He made it through the whole thing and I'm excited to see him. Okay, he's back. Hiccup, come. Here he is. This is like the most awkward way to show off his haircut. Say hi. He looks like a different dog. It's so crazy. So yeah, so I wanted them to go a little bit shorter now, like not too short, but just enough so all of his baby fur is off, so now his coat can like actually grow in. He is also curly. You just can't see it because they blow dried him. But he's so cute. He's such a good boy. They said he was really good. So exciting. First steps over here. Exciting stuff. Also, update. Still no table. I did get my couch, got a lot of other furniture, but I'm missing like some core pieces, like my chairs, my bed, and my table. Hoping it comes in soon though. I just got on campus and I'm doing some late night studying in this conference room. Because it's empty. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be here, but... Okay, Okay, so I just got done with my class. I'm heading home, but I figured this was a good place to end this monthly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit more of my life. I get a lot of questions about things that I do like on a day-to-day, so hopefully that answered it. Let me know in the comments if you guys have anything more specific that you want to see, like more of my classes or more of my free time stuff or more Hiccup or whatever. Y'all tell me and I will do my best to get more content of that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog and I will see y'all next week. Bye.